Race relations at Montclair High School would be better if there was more collaboration with the student body at Montclair High School, with our clubs, and more representation between our classes and education systems.
Race relations at Montclair High School would be even better if we all come together as one and interact with each other more.
It would be better if all of the race come together and do more events together to make Montclair better.
They would be even better if we take an approach similar to regular relationships. If we find a common ground like interest and experiences that we have similar is one way to gain respect of others and actually gain knowledge of them. Focusing on the similarities and accepting the differences that we have with each other is one way to improve race relationships in Montclair High School.
I feel it is important to talk about race and racism at MHS so all students and teachers feel welcome. We could all share customs and become united as one.
I feel like it's important so that way people feel welcomed in their race and culture and that they don't feel excluded here on campus.
I feel that it is important to talk about race and racism at Montclair High School because I want everyone of all races to feel included and welcome as they should.
I feel it's important to talk about race and racism because it's a topic that doesn't get acknowledged a lot, and it's unfair to people of color to not talk about such an important topic.
I believe it is important to talk about race and racism because it's an important topic and happens all the time, and it's a real thing, and it can have negative effects on people.
I feel as if it is important to discuss the topic of racism and race at Montclair High School, as it can help inform students about the negative effects that racism has on our community and the diversion it causes. We should all be unified and come together no matter a person's race or physical appearance.